So we're here in a hotel in Oklahoma City. There's Bass Pro Shop. So we're right in downtown Oklahoma City. This is a travel test, so we'll see how Sophia is doing. So right now we checked into our hotel here. Nice two-bedroom hotel. And we are going to grab some supper. It's almost 5 o'clock, so we're going to walk down the street here half a mile and get some Italian food. Can you hold it?
Someone had a party in here, and
can you hold it up?
I bet they got turned pretty penny.
Can you open it?
Yeah, there's blue on the wall there, and then blue and yellow on the carpet.
Philip, can you hold the camera?
Silly string or something.
Oh.
It's fresh.
Okay.
Which side are you going to sleep on?
You're supposed to.
A pink Uber. Sophia, can you tell the people where you at?
I'm at a hotel.
All right. Where's the hotel located?
Here.
Here? And can you tell the people what you just did in the last hour or so?
I swam
You swam?
in the swimming pool.
Yeah, downstairs, right? They had a nice cool swimming pool. And now you're gonna relax a little bit?
Yeah.